Keep quiet.
Allow the police to do their work.
Go to the brigadier and ask the brigadier what I spoke to him and who I am.
Allow the
Go to the police station. Don't tell me that I did not go to investigate.
I will
never
phone
call him.
now.
Go call him. I don't worry. Anybody you can call him.
You're out of order.
Yeah, I am out of order. You come with allegations against me. You come in and get allegations against me. Now I must keep quiet for my child.
You must keep quiet. Keep quiet.
For my child. Did I murder my child?
Keep quiet.
No, don't talk nonsense with me.
Now we are talking nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. Fucking rude, man. Fuck off. Put all these cameras also, man.
She said I arrest the police.
We're stopping everywhere. Who gives her the right to tell me I'm not fucking... Who the hell is she? Allow the police to do their work. Yes, police may still be having a weak case. Ngenxa yokuthi where the girl was found and there are no bruises, no nothing on her. It's a matter of still continuing to investigate. But don't come in because you work for INEA and think you are better off than these investigating officers that are working very hard, flat out, in ensuring that case is actually being dealt with properly, and there are no loopholes. Remember, the minute you interfere with the case, magistrate and actually gets thrown out because of tampering.